If you've ever felt helpless watching your plants suffer from pests, or those strange white patches on the leaves, here's something that might just bring your garden back to life, using just a few kitchen ingredients. No fancy chemicals, no complicated steps, just real, natural care. Start by taking about 2 liters of lukewarm water. You don't want it too hot or too cold, just warm enough to feel gentle on your hand. Then, add around 1 liter of warm dairy milk. And here's the interesting part. Even if the milk has expired, don't throw it away. It can still be used. In fact, spoiled milk might work even better. That's because it contains natural bacteria that are actually helpful when sprayed on plants. These good bacteria compete with the bad ones, keeping your plants safer. Next, add 3 tablespoons of organic turmeric powder. You might be more used to seeing this golden spice in your cooking, but turmeric also has powerful healing properties in the garden. It's naturally antibacterial and antifungal. Stir everything really well so the milk and turmeric mix completely into the water. Now give the mixture a little time to settle. About 10 minutes is perfect. During this wait, the turmeric has a chance to release its strength into the mix, and the milk bacteria start waking up, ready to do their job. After 10 minutes, strain the liquid into another container. This step matters more than you'd think. If you skip straining, turmeric bits could clog your spray bottle and make things messy. Now it's time for the final ingredient. Add 3 tablespoons of liquid dish soap. But go gentle here. Use a mild, eco-friendly soap if you can. You don't want something full of bleach or chemicals. The dish soap helps the spray stick to the leaves properly and also acts like a gentle bug repellent. Stir one last time and your garden spray is ready. But let's talk about what this actually does for your plants. The milk in the spray doesn't just sit on the leaves, it feeds the good microbes and helps protect against things like powdery mildew. It even adds a bit of nutrition with proteins and natural sugars that plants seem to love. Turmeric is the real hero here. Its natural compound, curcumin, helps control fungal diseases and discourages bacterial infections. It's like giving your plant a natural shield against disease. And the dish soap? It breaks the surface tension of the liquid so it spreads out evenly over the leaves. It also helps suffocate soft-bodied insects like aphids and tiny mites that like to hide under the leaves. You'll start noticing fewer bugs, and your plant might even look a little brighter and stronger in just a few days. You can spray this mixture on almost any plant, your vegetables, herbs, flowering plants, or even your indoor greens. Just remember, avoid spraying during the hottest part of the day. Early morning or late afternoon is best, when the sun is gentle and the plant can absorb the spray slowly without burning. If your plant is already struggling, spray every 3 or 4 days. Once things improve, just use it once a week as a natural shield.